Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate how to use Zoom to record a short video presentation for this infographic. It is a free template from Canva. First, we need to sign in to Zoom client. I have already signed in. Then click New Meeting to start a Zoom meeting. We can start with video or without video. Click it. Wait a few seconds for connecting. Then click Join with Computer Audio. Then we can click Share Screen to share our screen. On the top menu, if we click More, you can see Record on this computer. Click it. After our presentation is done, click Stop Recording and Stop Share, and end the meeting. Wait a few seconds for the video to be ready for review. A folder will pop up here. It is in the Zoom folder. In this folder, we can find the recorded video. It's an MP4 video. Click it to review it. Okay, that is all in this video. Thank you for watching.